At Indue, our goal is to work and keep you working. Here, we are highlighting our MT-S1 system. In this video, we showcase a recent project completed at the University of Wisconsin River Falls. Here is some before footage of the flooring in UWRF's Agriculture Science Building. First, we begin with our 1/4-inch Indu-Crete MT that is hand troweled over the top of your existing slab. This video shows the curbing process. Once the flooring has reached proper cure time, a top coat is applied. Indue's final product.